Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see what is gender of nouns. Already you might have learned what is nouns and many types of nouns. For example, nouns means what naming words. There are various types: common noun, proper noun, collective noun. Uh, in that we are going to see gender. So gender grammatically means it's also a classification of noun. It includes masculine gender, feminine gender, mm, uh, neuter gender and common gender. So gender means nothing but male and female. For example, for cow means it is female. Bull means it is male. So first type of gender is masculine gender. Masculine gender refers to a person or animals of the male kind. For example, father, brother. Feminine gender refers to the person or animals of female gender. For example, sister, mother. Here you can see some examples. Masculine gender means boys and men: father, son, priest, uncle, rooster. Male hen is called rooster. Host, king, hero. So all these words refers to masculine gender. Next, feminine gender: aunt, mother, maiden, grandma, hen, goose, nun, niece. Nun means nothing but monk. In church and all you used to see, no? Mother we used to call. They are called nuns. Niece means nothing but your cousin, elder sister will be there, no? So their girl child is called niece for you. Men means nephew. So next type of gender is common gender. Common gender refers to nouns that are either male or female. They might be male or female. For example, teacher, baby. It may mentions both. It may be male or female. Here are some examples: babies, dancers, students, parents, reporters, singers, engineers, lawyers, artists, teachers, etc. They might be both male or female. Next is neuter gender. It refers to the things or objects. For example, pencil, bag. Hospital, school, knife, chair, cave, floor, phone, fire, pen, stick. So like this, etc. They are called neuter gender. So common gender examples are doctor, visitor, cousin, relative, nurse, friend, manager, singer. They might be both male or female. So next comes neuter gender: eraser, shoes, chocolate, car, desk, bus, book, pants. Like that, anything that is called neuter gender. Here are some examples of male and female of animals. Here you can see dog. Dog male form is dog. Female form is bitch. Chicken. Chick male is rooster, hen. Bear, boar, sow. Male bee is called round. Female bee is called queen. Male camel is called bull, and female camel is also called as cow. Male cat we used to call as tom cat, and queen cat female. Lion, lioness. Mule means nothing but donkey. John, Molly. Peacock we used to call as male peacock which has big feathers is called peacock, and peahen. Female peacock is called peahen. Then pig, girl pig is called boar, and female pig is called sow, or even we used to call as Guilt, ram, and Eve for sheep. Swan, male swan is called cob, and female swan is called pen. Then you can see examples of deer, buck, dove, jack, janet, uh, Todd, vixen, uh, he goat, she goat, gander for gander, goose, leopard, leopardess, tiger, tigress, he wolf, she wolf, stallion for zebra, mare, bull, cow, jack, duck, stallion, mare. So here you can see some more examples of human beings: actor, actress, author, authoress, bachelor, spinster, butler, maid, duke, duchess, emperor, empress, god, goddess, king, queen, master, missus. Buck, dove, bull, cow for animals. You can see you should all memorize all this. Here also you can see examples: Mr., Mistress. This is the short form. You have to memorize all the male and female genders. Headmaster, headmistress, hire, heiress. Hire means nothing but who has right to own the property next to one. So they are called as hire. Female is called heiress, host, hostess, instructor, instructors, like that you can see here. So ram means nothing but male goat and female goat. We used to call as billy goat, nanny goat, he goat, she goat, bull, cow. Here you can see further examples. You have, I hope you have understood what is the genders and types of genders. Thank you.